Hi everyone, so today we have this platform called Vadoo TV and this is the best AI video generator. Now before we begin, you can head over to the link in the description to get yourself extended free trial as well exclusive bonuses onto the platform Vadoo TV, and make sure to try that out. Now jumping straight onto the platform, basically this is an AI powered, which means that you simply need to enter some prompts and it will be automatically be creating scenes. Also, not only scenes, it will be selecting music and even generating a perfectly adjustable voiceover for your video. Now, once you have that, you will be able to realize that you no longer need to edit and spend a lot of time in editing. You can simply generate videos from text. As you can see in here, you are going to be typing in here the prompt and eventually it will be able to generate the video. You have any type of videos available. You can enter in here any topic. You can simply use the AI generator, and also it have that trendy captions generation system as well that will be helping you to create amazing looking captions. So those trendy captions, those really attract some views, so it have that as well. You can also get your cinematic b-roll footage, also multi languages supported. So an amazing platform that you should try out. Talking about its reviews, it have some really nice repo. You can see value of Vadoo TV for videos, amazing video hosting platform for all video editors. Now talking about the link in the description below, you can access it and get yourself extended free trial as well exclusive bonuses. So it is something that you should not miss out. Make sure to head over to that and also subscribe to our channel if you feel like the video was helpful. Stay tuned for more and see you guys in the next video.